G'day, I'm Nathan Bijada, Manufacturing Manager for Crossmuller. I'd like to introduce you to our sheet metal and laser cutting department, operating out of our very own facility, Summersby on the New South Wales Central Coast. Our team of skilled tradesmen and operators work to deliver accurate, reliable sheet metal products from our state-of-the-art machinery. At the front end of our business is our most current acquisition, this BYSTRONIC 12 kilowatt fibre laser cutting machine, incorporating automated in and out feeds, enabling this machine to run unattended 24 hours a day. This machine can cut 3 metre by 1.5 metre sheets of mild steel to 25mm thick, stainless steel and aluminium sheet to 30mm thick, brass to 15mm and copper to 12mm thick. It's not just the material thickness we can cut that makes this machine so impressive, rather the pure speed it can operate at, bringing a whole new range of efficiencies. Currently, this is one of the most powerful fibre laser cutting machines available and one of only few in the country. Additionally, our 3D MAZAK tube laser produces highly accurate laser cutting and thread tapping to most types of tube and sectional steel. Working with mild, galvanised and stainless steel sections ranging in size from 20 by 20mm to 300mm square and rectangle and pipe 405mm diameters. There's very little we can't do to improve your business's capabilities when it comes to working with tubes and sections. Our team of tradespeople are capable of manufacturing everything from basic industrial fabrications like frames and chutes to high-grade stainless steel products used in both food and pharmaceutical industries. Our state-of-the-art engineering capabilities utilise industry-leading software solutions to ensure we deliver the most efficient product possible. When complemented with our internal transport and logistics department, Crossmuller can provide our customers door-to-door service Australia-wide. If you're interested in having a consultation with myself, you can find my contact details at the bottom of the page.